Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another TA of the Stellar Lumens and the Orchid. Now, I believe Orchid to be a sleeping giant, and I'm going to explain in this video why I think that is happening. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification because you want to know more about Stellar Lumens and Orchid. Let's get started. In my last video, which I did probably about a week, maybe a little over a week ago, we were talking about Stellar Lumens, how back here it was acting as support. It was acting as support for this candle. We broke below it. We came up, and it's resistance. All throughout here was resistance. Don't forget about that one. Resistance over here. And ever since January 4th, the week of January 4th, we popped up, and we have been above this resistance. We flipped it in support, and we're getting the resumption off right now. It's very beautiful. It's looking extremely bullish. And this is a weekly chart, by the way. And if we got about 5 hours and 45 minutes before we close this weekly candle, and this is going to be the highest weekly candle that we've ever closed since 2018. We're looking at May of 2018. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is. Let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals here. So this is on a 4-hour chart. I am seeing some price action moving up to the upside as the MACD is printing to the downside. This is bearish. Hidden bearish divergence. We could see a pullback on the short term. We aren't overbought on the RSI, but we are up there. We're pretty high up there. And the last time we came down and we touched the 30 was January 27th, not that long ago. We're looking at about a week and a half ago. Possible areas of support that we can be looking at on Stellar: 31 cents, 27 cents, and 28 cents. Those are the areas that I'm looking to pick up some more Stellar. As you can see over here on the stochastic, we did just have a cross. And also, I'm just saying this right now, we are having downward action on the stochastic as price was moving up. That's bearish. A little bearish on the short term, guys. I'm trying to pinpoint where my next buy is on Orchid before it takes off, because it is going to take off, guys. I do seriously believe we're going to be hitting 71 cents very quickly. After that, $1.24. These are going to be new all-time highs. We'll be in price discovery mode after that. Once we break all-time highs back here, which on this chart it's showing me 46 cents, we're going to double. We're going to double very quickly after that. This year is huge for crypto. Now, I want to talk about buying opportunities. I'm not bearish about this at all, but what I want to show you is a Fibonacci going from the swing low up to the swing high. And as you can see, these levels are being respected really well. Check out the 886 line over here. It was resistance. We popped through. It became support. Even came up and hit the 786 line right here. As resistance, it was testing support down here. Gosh, it's so beautiful. What more do you want? Came up, we hit resistance. Boom, we broke through. We even broke through the 618 and went all the way up to the 0.5, the green line right here. Acted as resistance. It was a little too much for us to handle. We didn't play between the 786 and the 618, so we came back down and we touched. Look how perfect. Look how beautiful that is. Touched. Boom. Okay, we were ready. Blasting through the 0.5. We even went all the way up to the baseline over here at 41 cents. And ever since then, we've been holding 27 cents as a really strong support. This is a very strong support. It is possible we could come back down and touch that before having any resumptions off. We're not overbought, but we are pretty high. We could run this thing really hot, guys. I mean, look back here, January 6th. This thing ran all the way up to 92. That's very possible. We could just blow straight up there if we wanted to. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. We couldn't do that. Currently, if we look really closely, this is on a 4-hour chart. We are in a parallel channel, and it's being respected very much. So you can see how the heart line, it comes up and it touches the heart line over here, and we couldn't get above it. Once we got above it, we broke above. We came back and we tested it as support. That's really good. Let's continue to stay above this heart line and break out. If not, if we get below this heart line, do expect we could be coming back down to 32 cents, or even possibly a lot quicker to 31 cents. I don't think it's going to happen that quickly. It may take some time, but do be looking for these levels, guys. I am looking between here. We're looking at 31 cents and 33 cents, possibly even 34 cents to buy some more Stellar. Break below that, and then we go back. We look over here. But breaking below that 33-cent line, which is this red line right here, we're coming down. And we're going to be touching the 27 cents area, even possibly testing support at 22 cents. Very possible. Very short-term play, guys, here. I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish on this coin, but I want these opportunities. I want to buy more for cheap. If we do fall down below and we hit 33 cents, that's a 13% drop. Come down to 22 cents. We come down to 27 cents. That's a 28% drop. And then the furthest that I do believe, if we go down, that we will drop is 22 cents. That is a lot. We're looking at 41 cents. It's very possible, guys. It's very possible. Do not eliminate that from the equation. Once we break 42 cents and we get a candle close above 42 cents, woo, we're going to be out of here, guys. We are going to be out of here, and it's going to be massive. If you're still here, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. Check out Orchard. Okay? I cannot stress this enough. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am nor a registered financial advisor. But look at what is happening with Orchard right now. You can see this red line down here, the 236 line, acting as major support over here, and we broke down. And ever since then, it has been resistance, close to resistance, huge resistance right here, and we got above it, guys. We got above it. February 4th, we got above it. We came up. We even tested the 382 line, which is 50 cents. We even came up and we almost touched 50 cents. That was a huge psychological resistance at 50 cents, and we've dropped down. And ever since then, we have been testing this 38-cent support. That is a massive support. It took us, let's see, since it broke down out of support back here, it became resistance. That was September of 2020. That's a while ago. Notice how we're having this double bottom formation, and it's just the beginning. If you were here, if you probably watch my GRT videos, I'm very famous for my GRT videos. I believe that to be a very awesome project. But look at this shift in momentum that we are having right now, and it hasn't even really taken off yet. These are the opportunities I want to present you guys with, not financial advice. I'm showing you what I think is going to be really big. We're talking about massive gains here, guys. Even getting up to the 618 line over here, 70%. Breaking through the 786, 105%. Breaking all-time highs, 150. We're not even there yet. Once we break all-time highs, guys, this thing is going to $2. Easy going to $2, and this is something that you'll probably see throughout the year where we'll hit $7, $8, $9. These are very realistic targets, guys. I'm not joking. Do not sleep on Orchard. It is massive. You can see on Orchard, this is on a 4-hour time frame. This was resistance. All of this was resistance, and just recently, February 4th, we turned it into support. Check out the technicals, the MACD. Right now, we are just finishing up this histogram. I am expecting for us to be getting a bounce off over here. We're at the 40-cent line of right now. We want to get above that 50-cent area. I am looking to break these targets within the next week, 2 weeks. And you can see on the RSI, not even close to being our overbought at all. We are smack dab in the middle. We have so much more room to be going up. And it's probably going to be happening. Looking at the 15-minute chart, I know, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, but it tells a story, guys. It really tells a story of what's happening. We are bouncing between resistance and support. We are below the heart line right now. Once we get above the heart line and break, this is the area that I'm looking for. Once we break 43 cents, and we get some candle closes above, and I'm talking about 4-hour candle closes, weekly candle closes, which we're about to end a week here in about 5 hours, 5.5 hours. That's really good. That's really good. That's a definite buy in my eyes. If not, guys, let's say I'm totally wrong, which I'm not correct, right? TA is just a prediction. This is my prediction of what I think is going to be happening with Orchard. But if we cannot hold this 38 cents as support, that is not good. That is not good. If we break down and we just invalidate all these months, all these long months over here, and we come down, do expect to see a 33-cent Orchard, possibly even a 30-cent Orchard. 30 cent is a massive support for Orchard. If we come down here, guys, these are your buying opportunities over here. I don't think we will ever get below 30 cents again on Orchard. Bitcoin would just have to completely crash and tank for that to happen. I don't believe that to happen. Okay. Just wanted to show you guys the technicals. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I appreciate you guys coming by. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.